If you're wondering what the real difference is between DVR, NVR, and XVR and which CCTV system is truly the best for your needs, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because this is your extended deep 6-minute expert breakdown of DVR versus NVR versus XVR. Full 60-second review that will clear all your confusion once and for all. First, the hook. Most people choose the wrong CCTV setup and later struggle with poor image quality, weak night vision, short recording backup, and cable issues. But after today, that won't happen to you. In the intro, I'll explain in simple language that DVR is analog, NVR is digital, and XVR is a hybrid system that supports both, along with the perfect scenarios where each one should be used. Now, the main body, DVR or digital video recorder, works with older, budget-friendly analog cameras that run on coaxial cable. Since the DVR processes video inside the device, the image quality depends on both the camera and the cable, making it a stable and low-cost choice for small shops, homes, or basic surveillance with a limited budget. On the other hand, NVR network video recorder is made for IP cameras that process digital video inside the camera before sending it to the NVR. NVR is the king of image quality, offering full HD, 4MP, 4K, and powerful AI features like face detection, human tracking, intrusion alerts, and line crossing, making it ideal for places where clarity is the top priority, such as large shops, plazas, offices, warehouses, schools, and factories. Then comes XVR, the most flexible system because it supports AHD, TVI, CVI, CVBS all analog formats, as well as some IP cameras. So if you already have old analog cameras and want to upgrade gradually without replacing the entire recorder and wiring, XVR is the perfect hybrid solution. Cable type also matters. DVR and XVR use coaxial cables, while NVR uses Ethernet cables like Cat5 or CAT6. Performance ranking is simple. In quality, NVR comes first, then XVR, then DVR. In cost, the order is reversed, with DVR being the cheapest, XVR mid-range, and NVR the most expensive. Storage usage also varies. IP cameras record at higher byte rates, so NVR systems need larger hard drives, while analog cameras use less space. Night vision is dramatically better in NVR. IP systems because of Smart Night Mode, Color Night Vision, and wide dynamic range. If you're remodeling or upgrading an old system, choose XVR. If you want full digital clarity and AI features, choose NVR. And if you need basic security on a tight budget, choose DVR. The goal of this review is to give you deep, practical knowledge far beyond what the 60-second title suggests, so you can confidently choose the perfect CCTV system. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment whether you're currently using a DVR, NVR, or XVR. I'll also help you choose the best upgrade for your setup.